Oppo announced a bunch of products at MWC 2023, and here's our first look at some of the most interesting ones. First up is the Oppo Air Glass 2. The Air Glass 2 looks just like any normal pair of glasses with a matte finished frame and comes in two colors, white and black. However, these smart glasses have micro LED displays on the sides of the lenses that can show the wearer information, and these displays can get as bright as 1000 nits. The Air Glass 2 weighs just 38 grams and can be used to receive calls, see notifications from your phone and more. It is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 4100 platform. The Oppo Air Glass 2 is still in prototype stage, but it would be interesting to see this tech being widely available. Next is the Oppo 5G CPE T2 modem. This tower-like modem allows you to share ultra-fast 5G speeds from a nano SIM card to anyone who's connected to it. The 5G modem uses Wi-Fi 6 technology to provide more stable connections. The polycarbonate body looks artistic and should blend in with most home or office decors easily. It has a heat management system to keep it running cool. It is equipped with the Qualcomm Snapdragon X62 or X65 5G modem RF system. Oppo also showcased their Zero Power Tag. This smart tag aims to solve the biggest issue with current smart tags: batteries. The Zero Power Tag relies on RF signal harvesting to power itself and hence does not need a battery like most other devices. The tags are a little bigger than regular smart tags and look more like a little power bank. It comes in two colors, black and white, and the body is made from polycarbonate. Oppo's 80-watt SUPERVOOC car charger was also on display at MWC 2023. This car charger looks like a regular one at first, but it offers a power output of a whopping 80 watt. It has a matte texture with the Oppo branding on it. The car charger comes equipped with a USB Type-A as well as a USB Type-C port for all your charging cables. The brand also showcased its newest imaging processor called the MariSilicon Y as well as a Wi-Fi 6 router. That's it for our first look at everything Oppo showcased at MWC 2023. Do let us know what you think about it in the comments. We've got lots more coverage from MWC 2023, so don't forget to check out gadgets360.com for all the updates, and make sure you're subscribed to all our social channels so you don't miss all our MWC coverage live from the show floor.